विद्यार्थी मित्र नमस्कार. आज आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.1 चा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पाहूया. आकृतीकडे पहा. प्रश्न आपण वाचूया. In the adjoining figure, the radius of a circle with center C is 6 centimeter. Line AB is a tangent at A. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is the measure of angle CAB? 5. In this figure, C is the center of the circle. Now, CA is the radius and it is 6 centimeter we have given. This line AB is a tangent to the circle at the point of contact A. We have give the answer of the question 1, that is what is the measure of angle CAB and why it is. We have to explain our answer also. Now let us see its a solution. Draw a segment CA. Segment CA is the radius of the circle with center C and line AB is a tangent at A. What is the tangent segment theorem? Tangent theorem. A tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Therefore, line AB is perpendicular to the segment CA. Therefore, measure of angle CAB. What is the measure of angle CAB? This angle is a 90 degree. Second question. What is the distance of point C from the line AB? 5. Now see its answer now. Segment CA is perpendicular to the line AB is given. And segment CA, that means the radius of the circle, is equal to 6 centimeter. This means that the point C is at a distance of 6 centimeter from the line AB. Third question is, distance AB is equal to 6 centimeter. This distance is 6 centimeter. Then what is the distance of BC? Now here join the segment BC. We know that in triangle CAB, angle CAB is 90 degree. Therefore, triangle CAB is a right angled triangle. We have to use here Pythagoras theorem. That is CB square is equal to CA square plus AB square. That is the distance AB is equal to 6 centimeter. That is, this is given. And CA, that is the radius of the circle, is also given 6 centimeter. Now put the values. We get distance CB square is equal to 6 square plus 6 square. That is 36 plus 6, 36, that is 72. By taking square root on both sides, we get CB is equal to in the root 72. By simplification, we get CB is equal to 6 root 2 centimeter. This is a very simple question. तुम्हाला हा अतिशय सोपा प्रश्न आहे. याच्यामध्ये अडचण येणार नाही. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 काय आपण पाहूया. What is the measure of angle ABC? Angle AB, what is the measure of this and why? We have to explain it. In triangle CAB, CA is equal to AB equal to 6 centimeter. That is, it is an isoscale triangle. Therefore, AB is equal to angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Therefore, it is a right angle isoscale triangle. Therefore, angle CAB is 90 degree. Therefore, angle ABC and angle BAC are complementary angles. They are equal. Suppose that their measure is x. Therefore, angle ABC plus angle ACB equal to 90 degree, and x plus x is equal to 90 degree. That is 2x is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 90 upon 2. That is x is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. Measure of angle ABC is 45 degree. Now let us see the question number 2. First read the question. In the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle. From the point R, segment RM and segment RN are the tangent touching at the circle at the point M and at the point N. OR, this distance OR we have given 10 centimeter. The radius of the circle, OM is the radius, ON is also the radius, and it is given that it is a 5 centimeter. Then the question is, what we have to find out? Let us see. What is the length of tangent of each tangent segment? That is, we have to find out RM and RN. What is the measure of angle MRO? MRO, this angle we have to find out. What is the measure of angle MRN? This angle we have to find out. Now let us see its a solution. We have to join the segment OM, where OM is the radius of the circle. Radius OM is perpendicular to RM. Radius ON is also perpendicular to RM. Therefore, triangle OMR, this is a right angle triangle. Triangle ONR is also a right angle triangle. Now, first see first triangle. That is, in triangle OMR, by Pythagoras theorem, OR square is equal to OM square plus RM square. By substituting the values, we get 10 square is equal to 5 square plus RM square. That is 100 is equal to 25 plus RM square. Means RM square is equal to 100 minus 25. That is 75. By taking square root on both sides, we get RM is equal to in the root 75. By simplification, RM is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. Also, RN is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter because tangent segments from an exterior point are congruent. Therefore, the length of each tangent segment is 5 root 3 centimeter. Second question is, what is the measure of angle MRO? Now, see its solution. We have given that in triangle OMR, angle OMR is equal to 90 degree. This is by tangent theorem. In a right angle triangle OMR, OM equal to 5 centimeter and OR equal to 10 centimeter, where OR is the hypotenuse. Therefore, OM is equal to 1/2 OR. By the converse of 30, 60 degree, 90 degree theorem, angle MRO is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, angle NRO is equal to 30 degree. The angle MRN means addition of these two angles. that is angle MRO plus angle NRO, that is 30 plus 30 is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, the measure of angle MRN is 60 degree. Answer of first question is the length of each tangent segment is 5 root 3 centimeter. Measure of angle MRO is 30 degree and measure of angle MRN is 30 degree. Now let us see the question number 3. Segment RM and segment RN are tangent of a circle where O is the center. Prove that segment OR bisects angle MRN, this angle, as well as this angle MON. Now let us see its a solution. We know that angle MRN equal to angle NRO. These two angles are equal. Angle MOR, this angle and this angle is also equal. In triangle RMO and RNO, angle RMO equal to angle RNO. These two angles are 90 degree by tangent theorem. Hypotenuse OR is congruent to hypotenuse OR. This is a common side. Side OM, this is side OM, congruent side ON, because these are the radii of the same circle. Therefore, these are two triangles, that is triangle RMO and triangle RNO are congruent by hypotenuse side test. Therefore, angle MRO congruent angle NRO, angle MOR congruent angle NOR, corresponding angles of congruent triangle. Here in this question, we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Now let us see the question number 4. What is the distance between two parallel tangents of a circle having radius 4.5 centimeter? Justify your answer. Draw a circle with center O. We have drawn a circle where O is the center. Draw a segment AB and segment CD touching the circle at the point M and N. This means that AB and CD are the tangents to the circle at the point M and N. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. Now, draw the segment MN. MN passes through the center O. Draw a line XY parallel to the line AB. Line AB is parallel to the line CD. Given line XY is parallel to the line AB by construction. Therefore, these three lines are parallel to each other. AB is parallel to XY, is parallel to CD. Then what is this measure of this angle? What is the measure of this angle? Because a tangent is perpendicular to the radius, therefore this angle is 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degree. That is angle OMA is 90 degree. Angle ONC is equal to 90 degree by tangent theorem. Therefore, OM is perpendicular to AB and ON is perpendicular to the CD. Now, line AB parallel line XY and line MO is the transversal. Angle AMO is plus angle MOX. Angle MOX equal to 180 degree interior angles. 90 plus angle MOX equal to 180. Angle MOX is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. That is angle MOX is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, angle NOX, this angle is also 90 degree. Angle MOX plus angle NOX is equal to 90 plus 90, that is 180 degree. Angle MOX and angle NOX, these two angles are adjacent angles and are also supplementary angles. Therefore, these two angles form a linear pair. Therefore, ray OM and ray ON are the opposite rays. These two are opposite rays. Therefore, these 3 points are collinear points. Therefore, segment MN is the distance between these two lines, where MN is the diameter of the circle. Therefore, MN is equal to twice into radius, that is 2 into 4.5 centimeter, that is MN is equal to 9 centimeter. Therefore, the distance between two parallel tangent is 9 centimeter. It is a very simple question. We have used in this question, that is tangent is perpendicular to the radius, and by using this theorem we find the